Hi, my name is Austin Kerr. I'm the founder of Humanagement, and I want to welcome you to the software. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm going to show you some of the basics of the software. Now, this is the admin video. If someone's not an admin, they're going to get a different video. And so in this dashboard, you can see this big stat. So this is just a template. Once you add a stat, it will replace this. Over here, you can see the next courses or policies to read. So this is a general onboarding course I set up, so a new employee would see this. Now, you can see these little things if you hover over something, and this just tells you what those things do. And if you want more help, you can go over here, you can search and find one of the articles we wrote for you. Or if you can't find help there, then you can always do here and then ask a question and someone will respond to you. So the first two things I suggest anyone do is create a stat and upload some policies. So to create a stat, it's very simple. You just go over here, the stat list, you press create a stat, give it a name like number of sales, and that's it. Now you can add a value and you're off to the races. So there's a ton of features. There's another video that goes through all that stuff for you, but this is just the basics. To create an article, give it a title like how to close a sale. You can use a template if you want to, or you can write your own. There's tons of different options available in here. So you can have like a list here. You can also import tons of different types of files. So if I go over here to my folder, I can then take this image, that'll upload. I can take this PDF, that'll upload. I can even take this video, and that will also upload. So there it is. And once you save these are very, very usable by the company. You can add divisions and positions so you can organize them. And so later you can go over here and you can find all the different articles. You can also go to this overview where you can sort things by like the category or the date it was created or the title, or just do that search here as well. So if you're on an article, like let's say this, what information is confidential, then I can go here and mark it as read. And then you have this nice log to see everyone who's read it. You can click here to see all the employees and if they've read that policy or not. And that's the basics of Humanagement. So if you want some more help, please feel free to book a call with me. And I'd love to go over things more in depth and show you just how powerful this can be in expanding your business and making your job easier.